Hey, let me show you 5, in my opinion, the best watch faces that you can find as default on the Galaxy wearable application. So the first one will be definitely this animated wallpaper, and when you keep tapping on the watch face, it will actually change and rotate this watch face. As you can see now, it even gives us the different wallpaper, and when you keep tapping, you'll be able to actually change between all of them. So in my opinion, it just looks pretty cool. We've got a clean interface with the date and the time, and of course we can still customize it. Next, we've got this more functional watch face with a lot of widgets. I like the color, I like the style. Another one, it will be definitely this fun animated wallpaper. There we go. You can just keep tapping like in the previous one to change the animation. And you can even change characters by tapping here. There we go. Let's go for another one. It will be this one, the more classic watch face. It will actually fulfill, in this place you can actually see the steps goals, the health goals that will actually fulfill during the day, and also there's the sleep time. And the last one, it will be this one. There's like all our health goals at the top, and they will also fulfill during the day. And each of this watch face you can still customize to your own preferences. So as you can see right here, for example, in this analog dashboard, we can get the black color if we want to save the battery and change it. So that's all for this video. Tell me if you like them. Also, please subscribe.